Now that you've finished Skill Demo 1, you can actually start making some hardware on your own. For this demo, I'll teach you how to make a simple voltage indicator, like the one shown at the beginning of this video. To build the voltage indicator, you should understand circuit diagrams, resistors, and voltage dividers. The materials you're going to need to make this voltage indicator are 4 LEDs, 4 resistors, a breadboard, jumper wires, and the skills I just mentioned. To begin, I'll draw the circuit diagram for our voltage indicator. We know that we want multiple LEDs to show the voltage, so let's draw those first. We'll connect them in series. The LEDs need to be connected to ground, shown here at the bottom. Next, we need to add the resistors. The resistors should be connected in parallel, like this. Finally, the circuit needs to be connected to power. You'll notice that we left out the resistance of the resistors in the circuit diagram. To find these values, you'll need to use the voltage divider equation that you learned in Lab 1. For demonstration purposes, we are using a variable voltage source that ranges from 0 volts to 15 volts, and so we used a 15 volt maximum to calculate our resistances. However, when you build something like this, you may have a different maximum and minimum voltage that you're looking for, so you should perform these calculations yourself to understand which resistors to use. And this is the completed prototype. It's a very simple voltage indicator, but shows what you can do with just the information you learned in Skill Demo 1. If you were to build this on your own, you would need to do the voltage divider calculations to figure out the optimal resistance for the resistors in your circuit. Also, if you plan to use a normal battery instead of a variable voltage power source like we used, don't forget that the voltage you'll read from a dead battery pack is probably not 0. You'll need to figure out what a dead battery pack reads and tune your circuit for that.